Hi, in today's video we're going to see how we can see whether the big hedge funds are buying or selling certain stocks. So first go to this website RiseAnalytics.ca, and here we can see this website captures over 100 hedge funds. So here we go and click the inside trades. And in this inside trades, we can see, for examples, by the date, which company is bought or sold heavily, right? This is the open market transactions, right? So this is nothing, although by the insider of the company. So here we can see, okay, the purchases and sales by the date. We have for third, and it's the descending order. Then we also have the ticker name, the company, and what's the price, how many shares, and what's the total value of those shares, and whether the person who did the trades is the own more than 10% or less than 10%. I believe this is the valuable information. So let's quickly see how we can also have buttons. So if I'll see, okay, click only on the sales, and then if I click submit, we can see, okay, in for example, this is the data doc, right? So the president and chief technology officers sold the data doc today, and that's not a small amount. That's the 83 million. Although he's a chief technology officer, and not only him, but even the CEO also sold the data doc as well. So if I click and open in the new tab for this stock, okay, so I can easily see, okay, this stocks is owned by these many portfolio managers. For example, Ash Capital Management, who owns the 6.7% portfolio weight in the stocks, and that's the number of shares. So and so on. And this Bridgewater Associates, the Ray Dalio stocks, Melvin Capital. This is from their 13F filings, right? Who owns these stocks? So if I see the fundamentals quickly on this one, so this page also provides that, okay, the highest is 119, and the 52-week low is $28. And then we also have like a gross profit margins. Here is in decimal places, but we know that this is gross profit is 78.43 and lower. We have the chart and some quick ratios and all. So, and here we can see, okay, this is the insider name, president, chief technology officer, and the CEO is sold the stock at $96, and we can easily see that, okay, the price is going up, but the price is right now 89, right? So he sold, seems like he did make a good deal, but we can really see the pattern that, okay, the stock is going down. So yeah, so this way we can pick any other stock. Let's take the Unity stock, and if I right click again, this is because this is sold by CEO, right? And we can again see, okay, who owns the square. We can see from their 13F filings, the ARK Investment Management owns that. That's a big name. SCUS TDGB Limited, they own a 30% weight in the stocks. So that's a huge, right? So if anytime you want to see, okay, what other the portfolio manager, what other stocks they own, you can easily go to the main page and then find the full portfolio there. Again, this is the stock history, the financials of the stock, sorry about that, and then the chart, right? It's 101, and we can easily see, okay, they are selling, and then the price also dropped. So this, just as an investor, it gives us extra information, okay, what's the insider of the company's belief of the price, and hopefully you will find this wonderful. If you like this, feel free to share, and yeah, and also if you have any comment, please go here and use the contact list and and provide your suggestion and comments on this one. So yeah, so that's pretty much on this short video. And yeah, so one more thing I want to highlight here, if I go quickly back, yeah, we can also see, okay, who did the purchases, but quite surprised that even most of the big companies, they are selling today. If I see the purchases, yeah, we do have these many purchases. So green is for the purchases. There are also be like so only this website tracking the purchases and sales and the total value and ownership. I think that's a pretty good fair amount of investors, especially those stocks which is owned by this 100 plus focused in value investors, right? So okay, so thanks for watching, and bye.